Today we are going to see about the smaller and bigger numbers. So write the smaller and bigger number. First numbers is given, you have to write the smaller and bigger number. So here it is 8 and 2 is given. So you can put the place value and you can see which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So here 2 is a smaller and it is a bigger. 77, 59, you have to put the place value for these numbers so you can find out easily. So yeah, then you have to see the tens place. The smaller number is 59, bigger number is 77. The third one 39, 9 is a smaller, bigger number is 39. 14, 35, 14 is smaller number and 35 is bigger number. Next one 67 and 32 is given, so you have to write smaller number is 32 and bigger number is 67. So here next one is write the correct symbol in the box. So symbol here is given, it is a greater sign and lesser one. Greater or bigger, the symbol given in the left direction, it is a bigger or greater. Next one right direction, it is given, it's a smaller or lesser symbol. So next here you can see here 10 and 9 is given, so you have to see the first number. First you have to put the place value for both the number, then you have to see the first number. First number tens and units place. Tens and units place. So you can see that you have to see the tens place. So tens place 1 is there. So here no tens place. So we can say that the 10 is a bigger number, bigger or greater number. So left direction symbol I have drawn. So next one 50, 49. So here you have to see tens place of both the numbers. So here you can see in tens place 5 is there and the second number tens place 4 is there. So 4 is a bigger number, so bigger sign, bigger symbol sign we have to put. Next number is 500 and 499. So you have to see the hundreds place. Hundreds place. So here you can see that the 100 place 5 is there and the next one 100 place 4 is there. So 5 is a bigger number, so you have to see put the bigger sign, bigger symbol. That is 500 is greater than 499. So you have to see only the first number. If first number here it is first number and second number is there. First number you have to see if it is a bigger or smaller. If it is bigger you have to put the left side symbol. If smaller means you have to put right side symbol. Now next you can see that the 9 and 10. So 9 is a 1 digit number and 10 is a 2 digit number. So you can say that a 9 first number you have to see, that is 9 is smaller. So smaller sign I have put. Smaller symbol smaller or lesser symbol I have put. Like that you have to do all the remaining sums. Now next see the next page. We will see the which is bigger and which one is smaller number. So you have to put the symbol for lesser and greater. So here 721, 589 is given. So you have to see first hundreds place, not units place. You have to see the hundreds place. Here the 100 place 7 is there. So here the next number hundreds place 5 is there. So you can say that the 721 is bigger number than the 589. So I have put the bigger sign. So we have to see only the first number, that is 721. Now next one 423 and another number given is 723. So here the 23 units and tens is same. So you have to see the hundreds place first, then you have to see the tens place, then units place. So here you have to see the tens place, hundreds place 4 and here 7 is given. So 7 is a smaller number, so smaller sign. First number you have to number you have to see, first 3 digit number you have to see, that is 423. You have to see it is a bigger or smaller. If it is bigger than the another number, then you have to put the bigger sign. If it is lesser, then you have to put the smaller sign. So the other number 4 is smaller, so you have to put 423 is smaller than 723. Like that you have to do all the sums. So here you can last sum you can see that the 720 is given and 718. Here you can see that the 100 place 77 is same. So then you have to see the tens place. Tens place you can see here it is 2 and the tens another number tens place is 1. So 2 is a bigger number. So you can say that the 720 is a bigger number. So I put a greater sign or a bigger sign. See a bigger symbol for this number 720 is bigger than 780. Now let's see the next page. Put the symbols greater lesser or greater between the numbers in each pair. So here you have to put the lesser or greater sign, that is smaller or bigger sign. 427 and 267 is given. First you have to put the place value, then you have to see the hundreds place first. So 100 place, here 4 is given, the another number 2 is there, so 4 is a bigger number. You have to see only the first set of number, it is bigger or smaller. Here the first set is number is bigger number, bigger or greater number, so I have put a greater or bigger number, bigger symbol. So next one you can see that 150 and next number is 501, so you have to put the place value. So you can see the 100 place 1 is there and the next number is 5 is there. So you can say that the first set you have to see, no, it is whether it is smaller or bigger. So here the first set of number 1 is there, so it is a smaller number, so I put a smaller sign. So like this you have to do the sum. Now next one is heading is ascending and descending order. So we are going to see the ascending and descending order in this. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order, last year also we have learned. Ascending order means least to greatest and descending order means greatest to least. So here are the numbers we are seeing here. So 55, 63, 40, 80 is given. So first you have to put the place value, then you have to see the tens place. So here you can see that the least to greatest 4 is smaller, 5, 6, 4, 8, so 4 is smaller, 40 will come, then 55, then 63, then 80. Then descending order means greatest to least, so you can write in reverse, 80, 63, 55, 40, or you have to find from here also. Question that 88 is a bigger number, so 80. Next one is 63, so you have to put 63. Next 55, 5 is greater, so 5 is smaller, then 55, then last was 40. Now last sum we will see that 909, 990, 999 is given. So here the hundreds place all number are same, so you have to see the tens place. So tens place you can see that the 2 number 9 is there, 1 is 0. So again you can say that the 909 is a smaller number because 0 is there. So next 229 is there, then you have to see the units place, that which one is smaller. So you can say unit place 990 is smaller, then last one will come as 999. So we have to write greatest, descending order means greatest to least number. So 999 will come, then 990, then 909. Like this you have to do the rest all sums. Now let's see the next page. So here it is also given there, you can see the example number 8, you can see 105, 107, 101, 102. So here you can see all that hundreds place the 1 is there, then you have to say tens place also all number is 0, and then you have to see the units place. Units place you can see that 101 is a smaller number, so you have to put first 100. Ascending order means least to greatest, so smaller number to bigger number you have to write. So 100 will come, then 102, then 105, then 107. And descending order means bigger number to smaller, greatest to least, that is bigger number to smaller number you have to write. So 107, 105, 102, 101 will come. Then now next one we will see 12 sum, that is 888, 788, 688. You have to put the place value, then you can see that the 100 place, so you can see that the units and tens place the numbers are same. So first we will see only the hundreds place, so you have to see hundreds place. Hundreds place here 8 is there, 7, 6. So your ascending order means least to smaller to bigger number. So 688 will come, then 788, then 8 is there, that is 888. Then descending order means bigger number to smaller number, so 888, then 788, then last number 688. Now next we will see the biggest and smaller number from the given digits. So the 3 number, make the biggest and the smallest 3 digit number using the given digits. So given digit 3 single digits are given, so you have to make a 3 digits number. So then after that you can make the biggest 3 digit number and smaller 3 digit number. So here I can form a number 946 is there, so I can form numbers of 6 3 digit numbers. So I have already done 946, then 964, then 469, 496, 649, 694. So you have to put the place value for all number, then you have to see which one is smaller number, which one is smaller number, you have to see the plus 100 place. Then you have to see, after saying that, you can see tens place. Here 9 is there, 6 is there, 469 is the smallest number, 964 is the biggest number. The next one you can see that 704. So I have made the 3-digit number. So 047 will not 2-digit number, because 0 if will come in first will have no value. So 704, 740, 407, 470. So 740 is the biggest 3-digit number. So using the putting the place value for all numbers, you can find out that which number is the biggest 3-digit number. So here 740 is the biggest 3-digit number, 407 is the smallest 3-digit number. Like that you can do all the sums. Thank you.